At Bloomfield Homes, our vision is simple: to make dreams come true across North Texas. As the Metroplex grows, we're growing with it, building communities where families can put down roots and thrive. With one of the strongest land positions in the region, Bloomfield Homes is well positioned for the future. Our footprint gives homebuyers more choices in more places, from charming small towns to vibrant suburban hubs. Every acre we develop is a foundation for community and connection. Our homes make a lasting impression. Thoughtful architectural details, timeless designs, and inviting streetscapes create neighborhoods people are proud to call home. Inside, bright open spaces bring people together. And because we include more standard features at the base price than other builders, buyers don't have to compromise to get the home they want. From flexible floor plans to elevated finishes, every Bloomfield home is designed for real life. Behind every home is a knowledgeable, professional team that cares deeply. Many of our employees have been here for years, some since the very beginning. It's that hands-on expertise, backed by trust and longevity, that sets Bloomfield Homes apart. Land, product, people. It's what defines Bloomfield Homes, and why families from across North Texas trust us to build their future. Bloomfield Homes, making dreams come true.